Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of December. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's there for Virgos. Okay, so to start with, we have the Ace of Pentacles. Following is the Justice card. Okay, what's this? The Nine of Swords. Okay, let's see. Ace of Wands. So we have two aces. The Page of Pentacles. The Two of Pentacles. The Empress. The Three of Pentacles and the World. Something major is there for you. I just wanted to take one more card, which was Five of Pentacles, because what is this anxiety about? I just wanted to have a look at it. Yeah, Five of Pentacles, Four of Swords, and the Six of Cups. One more, Eight of Swords. This reading really... Okay, so let's see what are the messages from this deck for Virgos. The Magician, the Strength, okay, and the Six of Spades. Okay, something significant and major is going on in your life, Virgos. Let's see what is the guidance from angels for Virgos. Okay. So to start with, we have the Ace of Pentacles, the Justice, and the Nine of Swords. Okay, so what I feel here is there was something brand new, something new which you were trying to manifest, or you had in your life already manifested. So you had manifested it, or you were planning to do so, but something happened. There is something, I think you came to know about something, or some truth was unveiled, because there is a Nine of Swords over here. So definitely there is a lot of anxiety, sleepless nights, tensions, and something definitely is giving you this anxiety and tension, and this is something which you thought was beautiful and stable, but maybe some decision has been taken, perhaps by you, by somebody else, or some truth has come out which is causing you a lot of anxiety. So something has definitely happened over here which looked beautiful, but now it is giving you sleepless nights and a lot of tension also. Okay, and here again we have the Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands, the Page of Pentacles, and the Two of Pentacles. So again it is that a lot of passion for this, whatever it was, you do start to take a small step towards it with the Page of Pentacles, and with the Two of Pentacles definitely trying to somehow balance this situation. You're taking a small step towards it. It is again a small beginning sort of, but not able to make up your mind in some way. Either you're trying to weigh the pros and cons, trying to make a decision over something, whatever this new beginning is for you, or it is the same thing which you are very passionate about, and you still want to manifest it, but you are really being very indecisive over here, not able to make up your mind over something. Though your eyes are focused on it, you are passionate for it, your eyes are totally glued to it, but you are not able to make up your mind for some reason. Something is there which is going on in your head, and I think this indecisiveness for some reason which is also the cause of anxiety and this tension. Because here we have the Empress and the World. Empress, the Three of Pentacles and the World. So definitely there's something is ending and something is beginning. Ending not necessarily, but at least one cycle is getting over and a new cycle is coming up in your life. But definitely something new is coming up in your life, that is for sure, with the Empress and the World. So something, some chapter or some phase of life is ending and some new phase of life is beginning. That is there. And with the Three of Pentacles here, either you are trying to take a decision, discussing with your family and friends because you are being indecisive over something over here. Over something. There is something which you are juggling or trying to make up your mind on, which you are not able to, and perhaps here you are trying to you are discussing this because this is very important for you. You are taking the opinion of others and then you are entering that new phase and a new beginning over here. Okay, and the cards which I pulled out, because this was very weird to see this Nine of Swords. What is this tension about when everything is so good? So this tension is about something with the Five of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, the Six of Cups and the Eight of Swords. So this talks about the reason for this Nine of Swords. So what I feel is there is a situation over here in which you have been either rejected or ignored or you feel left out. There has something which has happened over here with whatever this justice has happened. So this justice, this decision or some truth which has come up. Okay, so it can be a decision which has been taken. It can be a legal decision also to some extent, or it can be a decision taken by your partner or you yourself, can be anyone, or some truth has come up. It can be, because here with the Three of Pentacles, it can be a third party for some of you. It can be a third party. So there is something which has come up which looked to be very stable, but it doesn't seem to be now. It is your goal, it is your focus. You are trying to make up your mind because you're very passionate about it. Okay, and here what is this? Something has happened with the Justice card over here. Something has happened over here definitely in your life with the Five of Pentacles, which is making you feel rejected, ignored. Maybe somebody is ignoring you for someone. With the Four of Swords, you are really totally you've just surrendered to yourself to the situation because you are not able to make up your mind. Here with the Nine of Swords, you're very upset, a lot of anxiety, a lot of healing is going on. You've just left it to the hands of God and surrendered yourself to the situation. Because of the Eight of Swords, though you want reconciliation over here, you want a reconciliation with someone, but with the Eight of Swords, you are not able to step up. You really don't know, should I, shouldn't I, should I take the initiative, shouldn't I take the initiative? So maybe that is the reason that you are totally either it is the circumstances or your own reluctancy to step ahead or move forward in a situation in which you actually want this reconciliation. You really want reconciliation, but the situation is that something, maybe there was some decision which was taken which caused you a lot of sleepless nights, because this is somebody who is totally wrecked, totally disappointed, totally shattered to some extent, I should say, and a lot of despair, a lot of anxiety, lot of emotional stress. And this person wants reconciliation or just looks back at those happy times which were spent together. And here this person is trying to, though it is, you are very very passionate, it seemed to be very stable, but some decision was taken which totally gave you sleepless nights over here. Okay, but you really want to manifest it, I think, because you are totally glued to it. You are just juggling as to should I, shouldn't I, sort of a thing. Okay, and here you are manifesting it with the World card and the Empress. Definitely you are manifesting it. Okay, can be a third party for some of you. For others of you, it can be that you are trying to make a decision after talking to them or talking to your friends and family. And here from this deck we have the Magician card, the Strength card and the Six of Spades. So definitely a new beginning once again. We have the Empress here, which is new beginning, and we have the Magician. So definitely you are manifesting something new. It's requiring a lot of strength on your part and you are totally glued to it. You really want it. It requires a lot of strength for you to have this manifested and leave behind the past. So you are definitely leaving the past behind. You're leaving that emotional turbulence behind and moving towards peace, and you are just being intuitively guided. You are just moving towards peace because you feel that is what you actually need. Okay, and that is what will give you stability. The peace will give you stability. That is what you want. So there was a situation which seemed to be very beautiful and stable to you, but and you were very passionate about it, and some decision was made over here which made you felt ignored, and totally you were tied back to the situation, and you couldn't step up, and you just left it at that time. But you really wanted reconciliation, and that is what this is about, this anxiety, this balancing and this juggling as to what to do, what not. But you are manifesting it with the Empress and the World over here. Guidance from the angels is number 2, may be of some significance for you. Go within. You are a very intuitive person, and there are many wonderful insights that lie waiting inside you. Take time to be quiet and reflect upon the desires of the heart through meditation or prayer. There is no need to take action right now. Be patient with yourself. So that is what you are juggling. If you feel it is not the right time, don't take the decision. And you have surrendered. You have left it to time. Okay, when the right time will come, it will happen. So you are very intuitive. You need to be in touch with your intuition and just act at the right time. When your intuition says it's the right time to act at that time. So Virgos, what I feel is you definitely want some sort of reconciliation, or at least happy times as they were in the past. And for that you are trying to, there is a situation in which you were ignored and you were sort of rejected, sort of. But you are manifesting this new beginning. Virgo is a beautiful reading. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.